I just discovered a hidden treasure at Dollar Tree that every gardener needs this December, and it's going to change the way you grow plants indoors this winter. From clever seed starting tricks to budget-friendly ways to protect your frost-sensitive pots, these 10 items aren't just cheap, they're game changers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, today's haul is packed with hacks that will save you time, space, and money, while keeping your plants thriving all season long. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, so you never miss a tip that keeps your garden looking amazing without breaking the bank. Stick around until the end, because I've got a bonus tip that's pure gold, something you can grab for free right at Dollar Tree, to boost your compost and give your plants a serious winter boost. Item number 1 on our list is microfiber towels. And trust me, these aren't just for wiping counters, they're a secret tool for successful indoor propagation. Winter is the perfect time to start cuttings indoors, and the key to getting roots to form quickly is maintaining consistent moisture without drowning your plants. Microfiber towels are soft, highly absorbent, and retain just the right amount of water, creating a gentle humidity dome around your cuttings. By layering a towel at the bottom of a shallow tray, and placing your cuttings on top, you create an environment that encourages healthy root growth, keeps the stems hydrated, and protects them from drying out in your heated home. Setting up a propagation station with these towels is not only easy, it's also incredibly affordable. Unlike expensive propagation mats or domes, these towels are reusable, easy to wash, and already conveniently available at Dollar Tree. You can fold or layer them to fit any container size, and when paired with a clear cover or plastic bag, they trap humidity naturally without the need for additional equipment. Over time you'll notice faster rooting, stronger seedlings, and the satisfaction of knowing you've created a DIY solution that rivals high-end products, all for just a couple of dollars. Item number 2 is foam core boards, and they're a surprisingly powerful tool for boosting indoor plant growth during the dark winter months. These lightweight white boards reflect natural light back onto your seedlings and potted plants, helping them soak up every available ray when sunlight is scarce. For anyone starting seeds indoors, this can make a dramatic difference in how quickly and evenly plants grow. Simply position a board behind your plants near a window, and you'll see shadows lift from leaves that would otherwise stay shaded, giving your indoor garden a brighter, healthier appearance. Beyond just reflecting light, foam core boards are incredibly versatile and cost-effective. You can cut them to any size, lean them against shelves, or even create angled reflectors to maximize exposure. Compared to investing in additional grow lights or pricey reflective panels, these boards provide a zero-maintenance way to increase light efficiency without adding electricity costs. I'll show you a quick before and after using a light meter, so you can actually see the boost in brightness. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you never thought of this simple affordable trick before. Item number 3 is expandable sponges, and they might just be the most underrated garden hack you've never considered. These simple compressed cellulose sponges are designed to expand when soaked in water, but in the garden, they become the perfect medium for starting seeds. By cutting them into small plugs, you can create a biodegradable, moisture-retentive base for seedlings that rivals traditional peat pellets or rock wool, but at a fraction of the cost. The sponges hold water evenly, preventing both overwatering and drying out, which is crucial for young roots that are just beginning to establish themselves. Plus, because they're soft and easy to manipulate, you can gently insert seeds without damaging delicate sprouts, giving your plants the best chance to thrive indoors during the winter months. What makes these sponges even more remarkable is their versatility and affordability. Unlike conventional seed-starting materials, which can get pricey and sometimes require special handling, Dollar Tree sponges are inexpensive, readily available, and fully biodegradable. You can experiment with different sizes and shapes to create customized seed plugs for everything from tiny herbs to larger vegetable seedlings. For gardeners who like to get creative, they also double as a convenient medium for rooting cuttings or even for small-scale hydroponic setups, absorbing water and nutrients while supporting the plant. Using these sponges transforms a simple everyday item into a high-functioning gardening tool, proving that sometimes the best solutions are hiding in plain sight, and all it takes is a little imagination to turn a kitchen or cleaning supply into a seed-starting powerhouse. Item number 4 is cooling racks, and they're one of those surprisingly versatile tools that every gardener should have in their arsenal. While they're normally used in the kitchen to cool baked goods, in the garden they become perfect drying screens for herbs, seeds, and flowers. The open metal grid allows air to circulate freely around whatever you're drying, preventing mold and speeding up the process. Stack a few racks on top of each other, and you've got a compact, multi-tiered drying system that saves counter space while handling a large harvest. From freshly cut basil to seed pods ready for storage, cooling racks make it simple to keep your produce and seeds in top condition without expensive equipment. Beyond drying, cooling racks are incredibly functional for other gardening tasks. They work beautifully as plant elevators to improve drainage for potted plants, keeping soil from sitting in water and reducing the risk of root rot. You can even use them as platforms for propagating multiple cuttings at once, ensuring each one gets adequate airflow. Their metal construction makes them durable, lightweight, and easy to clean, which is perfect for indoor gardening in the winter months. It's amazing how an everyday kitchen item can double as a professional-level gardening tool, providing efficiency, versatility, and organization, all at a Dollar Tree-friendly price. Item number 5 is pool noodles, and these colorful foam tubes are more than just summer toys. They're a winter gardener's secret weapon. When temperatures drop, your outdoor potted plants can suffer from frost damage, and pool noodles provide an easy, inexpensive way to protect them. Simply slice them lengthwise or into rings and wrap them around containers to insulate the roots, keeping plants warmer through chilly nights. Their soft, flexible foam traps air, creating a buffer against freezing temperatures, and because they're lightweight, they're easy to remove during the day when sunlight warms the garden. For anyone with frost-sensitive plants or a small winter garden, this hack offers simple, effective protection without the need for costly covers or insulating materials. But pool noodles aren't limited to plant insulation, they're also incredibly handy around the garden in other ways. Cut into smaller sections, they make perfect knee pads for cold weather gardening, protecting your knees from icy or wet surfaces while you prune, transplant, or work in raised beds. You can even use them to cushion tool handles for more comfortable grip during prolonged outdoor work. Their versatility and durability make them a must-have for winter gardening, and at Dollar Tree prices, it's hard to beat the value. From protecting your plants to making your work more comfortable, pool noodles prove that a simple, inexpensive item can have a big impact on your winter gardening routine. Item number 6 is tension rods, and these simple adjustable poles are a game changer for indoor gardening. They're perfect for creating vertical gardens, supporting climbing plants, or even hanging lightweight grow lights without drilling into walls or ceilings. For those who want to maximize window space during the short winter days, tension rods allow you to set up tiered herb gardens or small plant shelves in tight corners. You can easily adjust the height and width to fit any window frame or shelving unit, making them a flexible and reusable solution that doesn't damage your home. Beyond vertical gardening, tension rods are incredibly versatile for organizing indoor plant setups. You can use them to hang lightweight baskets, string up twine for vining plants, or create a framework for small indoor trellises. This makes them ideal for herbs, peas, or even ornamental vines that need support as they grow. Pair them with inexpensive containers or hanging pots, and you can create a functional, space-saving garden that looks neat and professional without spending a fortune. For anyone trying to grow plants indoors during the winter months, tension rods offer a low-cost, practical solution that transforms vertical space into productive, thriving greenery. Item number 7 is locker and shelf organizers, and this is one of the most practical hacks on our list. These wire racks and small shelving units from Dollar Tree are perfect for creating multi-tiered seed starting stations or organizing indoor plants. Instead of spending hundreds on professional shelving, you can stack a few of these organizers to maximize vertical window space, giving every seedling access to light while keeping your setup compact and tidy. For winter gardening, when space is often limited indoors, this vertical approach is a game changer, It allows you to start more plants in less space and keeps everything easy to manage. What makes these organizers even more impressive is their affordability and adaptability. You can combine multiple units to create a fully customized system, adding trays or containers to suit different types of seedlings or potted plants. They're lightweight but sturdy, easy to move around, and can even double as storage for small garden tools or supplies. I'll walk you through a complete setup that costs under $10 yet looks and functions like a $100+ retail shelving system. It's proof that with a little creativity, everyday items from Dollar Tree can provide professional-level gardening solutions, keeping your winter garden thriving without breaking the bank. Item number 8 is lint rollers, and while they might seem like a household cleaning tool, they're incredibly useful for indoor gardening. These sticky rollers are perfect for removing pests like aphids, spider mites, or tiny eggs from plant leaves without using harsh chemicals. Simply roll the sticky surface gently over the affected leaves, and you'll lift off insects and debris without harming delicate foliage. For anyone dealing with winter indoor plants, which can be more vulnerable to infestations due to lower airflow and limited sunlight, lint rollers are a gentle and effective solution. What's great about lint rollers is how easy and convenient they are to use. Unlike sprays or soaps, there's no waiting, no risk of damaging your plants, and no messy cleanup afterward. The sheets are replaceable, and some rollers are even reusable, making them a low-cost, long-lasting option for pest management. I'll demonstrate on a small indoor plant, and you'll see just how quickly and safely pests can be removed. It's a simple everyday item turned into a powerful gardening hack, proving once again that sometimes the tools you need are right in front of you at Dollar Tree. Item number 9 is muffin tins and ice cube trays, and these kitchen staples are surprisingly versatile for gardening. They're perfect for freezing portions of fresh herbs, so you can enjoy the taste of summer even in the dead of winter. Simply chop your herbs, place them in the compartments, and top with a little water or olive oil before freezing. Later you can pop out perfectly portioned cubes to add directly to soups, sauces, or sautés. Beyond the kitchen, these trays can also be used to make frozen compost tea cubes, giving your indoor or outdoor plants a nutrient boost in a controlled mess-free way. But the uses don't stop there. Muffin tins and ice cube trays also double as mini soil block molds for starting seeds. You can fill each compartment with soil or seed starting mix, plant your seeds, and easily keep track of multiple varieties in one compact tray. They're stackable, reusable, and allow for efficient watering and drainage, making them an excellent low-cost alternative to traditional seed trays. For gardeners looking to maximize resources and repurpose everyday items, these trays prove that small, inexpensive tools can provide big benefits in both food preparation and plant care. Item number 10 is command hooks and adhesive strips, and they are a true game changer for indoor gardening setups. These simple damage-free solutions let you hang grow lights, create mini trellises for climbing plants, or organize tools without drilling holes or using bulky hardware. For anyone managing a small indoor garden, they're perfect for keeping everything neat and functional, while maintaining a clean, uncluttered space. You can even use them to hang harvested herbs or flowers upside down to dry, turning ordinary walls into productive garden zones. The versatility of command hooks goes far beyond just hanging items. By strategically placing a few hooks and adhesive strips, you can create an entire indoor garden system: lights, plant supports, storage, and even decorative elements, all without permanent installation. This approach is ideal for renters, small apartments, or anyone who wants a flexible garden setup that can be adjusted seasonally. I'll show a full indoor garden setup using only these hooks and strips, and you'll see how simple, inexpensive items can completely transform your space into a professional, organized, and efficient winter garden. And there you have it. 10 incredible Dollar Tree finds that can completely elevate your winter gardening game without breaking the bank. From microfiber towels that boost propagation success to command hooks that turn any wall into a functional plant space, each item is practical, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Even the bonus tip with cardboard packaging shows that sometimes the best gardening solutions cost next to nothing. These are the kinds of hacks that make gardening accessible, creative and fun, no matter the season. Which hack are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a smart, budget-friendly gardening tip. With these ideas, you can keep your plants thriving, your space organized, and your wallet happy, all year round.